welcome back to our XAUSD breakdown for today's final session. Let's quickly do our usual breakdown and then hopefully market favors today. So as we can see on the daily time frame, I I can't really say what the direction is at the moment. I can't really say what the direction is because it's not. I can actually say that the daily is ranging. So if I go to the 4 hour, the 4 hour is not giving us, the candles are becoming smaller and smaller. So I would also say that the 4 hour is ranging, although it had previously created a resistance around here, and it's currently creating a support. So we anticipated this pullback initially on 4 hour that it may end up pulling back to this area. But currently what you are looking at is that 4 hour is ranging. But I'm looking at this 4 hour candle coming to fill this week. So if we're to go to the 1 hour, let's go to the 1 hour to determine, to confirm that if it will have a potential way of filling the week. So on the 4 hour, on 1 hour, we can basically see that 1 hour is pushing. 1 hour is pushing bullish and is trying to create a support at this point. So if we can create a 1 hour support at this point, then we can look to buy at the break of this high to fill this week, which is about 136 pips range. So what you are basically waiting for now is for probably 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour to basically close, and with London open volume, we can potentially fill here. So these are resistance, but they are minor resistance, and we are hoping that with the London open volume, we can eventually push upward and break all this resistance to fill the 4 hour week. But however, I'll still check for even on the 30 minutes, the support is being formed, already been formed, and the resistance around this area. And probably we might decide to wait for, depending on how 1 hour is closing, we might decide to wait for a break above here and then see if we can continue to the upside. So yeah, exactly the same thing. So 15 minutes is also pushing upward. So I just decide to, we can just wait for, let's just wait for 1 hour to close. So if 1 hour close strongly bullish, then if the next candle is to wick down and then continue to break this high, I'll definitely take a trade to see if we can buy to fill this about 118 pips range. That's all for today on gold. Let's check for GBPJPY. GBPJPY is ranging big time. Most of the time these days, GBPJPY is ranging. Check daily is creating new highs. So basically in an uptrend daily. So the 4 hour, sorry guys, the 4 hour is also basically ranging, creating resistance and support. So on 1 hour, we have the same range, resistance and support. So 30 minutes is the same thing. So what we are basically probably waiting for is a break, a candle to break and close below here, and potentially it may continue to the downside, or a candle to break and close above 195. Potentially it may continue to continue to the upside. So we have to catch is probably 50 pips, and then we are good to go. So I'll be watching GBPJPY closely today. Hopefully I can get a good trade for GBPJPY today. Yes, hopefully. That's all for now, and what we're just waiting for is for us to be patient and see how did they react to this support or this resistance. So I'm going to check. Yeah, this is the next resistance. 1 hour on 1 hour. So just trying to to our range, our buy range. So on this range we have about 60 pips, and here we have, let's just say to this area. So on the support area we have about 60 pips too. So just all have to do is wait. Thank you. That's all for now. Thank you guys for joining. Please subscribe and like this video, please. Thank you so much.